Hey guys, Namaste, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about types of pencil shadings. In soft blending we are just going to do a first layer of a pencil normal shading, and after that just blending it with a blending stump. You can just make your own soft blending tool. If you want to make, you can make a homemade stump also. There is nothing much difficulty in that. So after in soft blending, it's nothing much like more about to say. You can just simply understand it. What is the process of the soft blending? You can just merge it with a hand or like any another tool whatsoever you are comfortable with, and play it out as you want to do and explore it. You will understand the soft blending styles and technique by experimenting it. That in a cross line technique, cross line is basically any side by side, like from right to left or left to right. There's a cross lines that's put in down in a rendering style, like you can just see it's a near it's parallel lines going through each other. We are gonna do two type of lines in a simultaneous one way only. One is from right to left and another is a left to right, so it's a crisscross. It's a kind of X which is happening over here. So you can just put a parallel lines from right to left and left to right. So this is all what it's gonna be. And then freehand lines. In this technique, it's basically just exploring your lines and putting it darker tones with circles and form in whatsoever way. But basically it, you don't have to go with normal rendering and filling it up with pencil lines, normal shading. In this process nothing is much more complicated. You just have to understand the pressure on a pencil and render it out how just you want to give a tonal variation in comparing with the subject. Just that's all. It's all normal shading. Crisscross strokes. This are like cross strokes are something which is done in a minute stroke, like a rainfall. Any of the rendering object or any of the subject you are taking, you can just go with the flow of a tonal variation. The hybrid technique, experimenting with the two technique together, the normal rendering and putting a lines, cross lines on it. So it's just a variable which I try to always get it, how I can explore the more different styles of rendering and shading. So don't get confused in rendering and shading. It's the same word. Rendering is a technical word which refers to shading only, but rendering is specifically art term. So keep in mind that if I tell instead of shading it's rendering, and it's both same thing. Cross hatching, cross hatching is just putting it in some angle and they just cross over with some distant equal spaces. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or comment below. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.